Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tullab Lugat Arabic, my Arabic learners. And welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be diving into some Arabic words that is also going to fast track our Arabic learning. So just follow me for more videos. Now we have I think. Now, how do you say in Arabic that I think? Then we think. I think that is Mufakkiru. That's Ana. Let's say Ana Mufakkiru. That's Ana Mufakkiru. Ana Mufakkiru. That's I think. Ana Mufakkiru. I think. That's I think. Ana Mufakkiru. I think. Then we think is going to be Nahnu Nufakkiru. Nahnu Nufakkiru. Nahnu Nufakkiru. That is what we think. Nahnu Nufakkiru. Nahnu Nufakkiru. That's what we think. Ana Ufakkiru. I think. Nahnu Nufakkiru. Now, you have Ana Ukhatitu. That is Ana Ukhatitu. It means what? I plan. Ana Ukhatitu. I plan. Ana Ukhatitu. That I plan. Then we plan is going to be Nahnu Nukhatitu. Nahnu Nukhatitu. Nahnu Nukhatitu. That is what we plan. Nahnu Nukhatitu. That's we plan. Now, Ana Ata'allam. That's Ana Ata'allam. I learn. Ana Ata'allam. Ata'allam. That is what I learn. I learn. I learn. Then Nahnu Nata'allam. Nahnu Nata'allam. Nahnu Nata'allam. That is what we learn. Nahnu Nata'allam. That we learn. Now, Ana Ashrabu. Ana Ashrabu. Ana Ashrabu. That's I drink. Ana Ashrabu. That's I drink. Nahnu Nashrabu. We drink. Nahnu Nashrabu. Nahnu Nashrabu. That's what we drink. Nahnu Nashrabu. We drink. Ana Akul. Ana Akul. Ana Akul. That's I eat. Then Nahnu نحن ناكل. That's what. أنا آكل. نحن نأكل. That's what we eat. We eat. That's نحن نأكل. That's what we eat. نحن نأكل. That we eat. أنا أفهم. أنا أفهم. That's what I understand. I understand. أنا أفهم. Then نحن نفهم. نحن نفهم. We understand. We understand. نحن نفهم. We understand. أنا أفهم. I understand. نحن نفهم. That's what we understand. That أنا أكتب. أنا أكتب. That I write. Then نحن نكتب. نحن نكتب. That's what we write. نحن نكتب. That we write. أنا أكتب. I write. نحن نكتب. We write. أنا أجلس. That's what I sit. That I sit. أنا أجلس. That I sit. Then نحن نجلس. That's what we sit. نحن نجلس. We sit. أنا أحمل. أنا أحمل. أنا أحمل. That's I carry. Then we have نحن. نحمل. That's we carry. نحن نحمل. That's what we carry. We have أنا أضرب. أنا أضرب. That's what I beat. Then we have نحن نضرب. That's we beat. نحن نضرب. That's what we beat. Now, so these are some Arabic words, some Arabic sentence that is also going to fast track our Arabic learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just take your time to watch the video. Follow me for more videos. Like, share, comment, and then see me in my next video. Thanks for watching.